Hello all, today we will look at the Stripe View capability that will be introduced in TaliPrime Release 5.0. So, what is Stripe View? Stripe View is a new UI in TaliPrime Release 5.0, which allows you to clearly relate to the data available in columns that are far apart, without needing to take the cursor to that line to read it. Now, let's see how to enable this capability in TaliPrime, and how does it reflect in both reports and vouchers. To enable this Stripe View capability in TaliPrime, press F1, Help, Settings, Display, and then under Application we can see the options Enable Stripe View for Reports and Enable Stripe View for Vouchers. Select Yes wherever necessary to enable Stripe View. Now accept the screen. Let's navigate to Daybook and see the screen. We are able to see the Stripe View. Now, let's go into the voucher, and here also we are able to see that Stripe View is enabled for voucher as well. Let's try seeing another report. Say Profit and Loss Account. As we can see, the Stripe View capability is enabled for this report as well. Now moving on. To bring this UI we have added an attribute within report, form, part, and line definition, and this attribute will help define whether stripes will be shown on your report, form, part, or line. This is an attribute which will take logical inputs, yes or no, and hence the syntax for the same is as shown. If the master configuration is enabled and the scroll is used in the code, it is not necessary to use the stripes attribute at the report, form, part, and line level. The report will automatically display with stripe. Now let's see how this translates in the code and at the same time in TaliPrime application. So it says if the master configuration is enabled, you need not use stripe attribute in your code. As you can see the Stripe View TDL code open on screen. Here we are trying to add a button after top menu where we want to display TSPL report. Now, if we go into Stripe View aspect, as mentioned earlier, if scroll attribute is part of your code, then stripes attribute need not be given in the code. We have given scroll attribute in the code, hence we need not give stripe as an attribute. Now, let's save this file, load the file in TaliPrime, and see how that translates. As we can see in the report, Stripe View is enabled throughout the report. In the code we had given scroll and we didn't give any stripe attribute, but we are able to see stripes across our report. This is because we had given scroll and Stripe View is enabled at master configuration level. Now let's move on to the second point, which is, if scroll is not used in the code, then we must use the stripes attribute at report, form, part, and line level depending on your requirement. So now, let's say in the same TDL code we remove the scroll, then see how stripe as an attribute works. Now, we have to give logical value to enable or disable stripes attribute. Let's say if we make it no. And then save this and load in TaliPrime. Now, if we go into Stripe View report, we do not to see stripes across even though we have enabled Stripe View at master configuration level. This is because in the code we have defined stripe as no, so it's not showing Stripe View for this specific report. In all, once scroll is given in our TDL code, whatever configuration is being given at master configuration will be enabled throughout all the reports and vouchers. That's it. Hope you were able to understand the capability of Stripe View and appreciate how it enhances the UI of Tally Prime.